Hi, this is Ben. I was provided this product free in exchange for my review. I have a 2-pack of the Cabiclean Core 300 replacement filters. We have the 300 Core Levoit air purifier, so I'm going to show you how to replace the filter. As we do it, we'll compare the Cabiclean filter with the Levoit filter. So the red light on here indicates that this filter is ready to be replaced. This has been on a while, so let's get the new filter out of the plastic. To replace the filter, turn the air purifier upside down. It will require twisting off the bottom. There are arrows that indicate which direction to turn. So to open, just turn it counterclockwise, then you just lift the top right off. The filter just pulls right out. So this old filter is caked with dust. You can see when compared side by side, these are just identical to each other. So I'm just going to put the old one into the bag here and throw it away. The new filter then just sits right down into the space. You don't need to turn it, twist it, lock it in or anything. It just sits right down in. Put the top back on and lock it into place by turning it clockwise. And again, the arrows will line up to indicate that it is locked. Final step is just to turn the purifier on, and then if you press and hold down on the filter indicator light, eventually the red light will disappear, and this is how you reset the filter timer. That's all there is to it. Now we're on to another round of clean air. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.